guys, guess where we are today? We are in Cinque Terre. So it's this very exotic beach kind of place in Italy, and it's one of the places that I was really excited about. And we have traveled a 3 to 4 hour bus journey, and we have just reached here a while back. And I'm super hungry because I've not eaten in like 17 hours I think, and I've not had breakfast. So yeah, it's around like 12:31. I think it's 1 over here now, and people are just checking out their rooms and where all we're gonna stay, where all we're gonna sleep, etc. I will give you guys a tour of the entire loft. We've booked 2 lofts where like 5 people each can stay. We're 10 of us. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun trip. हम ready to eat शेजवान राइस खाना बना रहे हैं क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है. Let me show you guys one of the lofts till then. So this is the entrance, and then the moment you enter from here, there's like an entire living room over here. The small dining table over here for us to eat. There's a small sofa. There's a fridge. This is the kitchen. We've all done this on Airbnb. This is the other bedroom. I'm gonna try to switch on the lights. Yeah, this is the bedroom. Again, there's plenty of space here to like keep our clothes. There's a study table, which is of course of no use to us. There is a bedroom where 3 people can easily sleep. I wonder why this room does not have a mirror. This is the washroom. Damn spacious again, but mirror is not meant for short people. Sadly, nothing in Italy is meant for short people. I'm just gonna go up the stairs, and the stairway is like really narrow. I'll show you guys the other bedroom, like a small place. So here are the stairs, and then once you walk, there is a bed over here right behind, and there is another bed over here. I think pretty spacious, pretty good. There's an AC even here, so not a problem. Looks like a damn nice place to live in. Hello, birthday girl! We have come to Cinque Terre especially for Michael's birthday. Nivi, how old are you turning?
No, I can't. That's very confident.
Yeah. So it's going to be her birthday tomorrow. It's not today. But yes, we're bringing in her birthday, and we're going to the beach right now. And then we're gonna party.
And these are the girls that used to be
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
We have reached the beach. View दिखाती हूँ रुको.
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी.
How was it?
Loved it. Crazy, bro. You need to try this once in your life. Otherwise, you are missing out.
So guys, here we did it.
You did it. Yes, we are coming back tomorrow.
You guys were part of it. I'm happy with that.
Yeah, but we're coming back tomorrow.
Yeah,
But तू आ रहा है
and
वापस.
see guys, see the spot. That was we jumped from right there. Crazy. See the view.
ये करना है कल. कैसे भी
Amazing.
कोई भी हाल में ये करना है. We'll do it tomorrow.
पर मैनू जाने नहीं
We've taken gelato from here. It's pistachio and tiramisu. And अभी हम हमारी ट्रेन का वेट कर रहे हैं. We're going to some other place to eat. जहाँ पे फाइनली मुझे यहाँ नॉर्थ इंडियन खाना मिलेगा. है ना वहाँ पे दाल मखनी वगैरह. तो वहाँ पे वो खाएंगे. Finally, after so long, I will have like proper Indian food in a restaurant outside in Europe. फिर वहाँ से हम घर जाएंगे. निवी का बर्थडे केक कट करेंगे. And then थाली करेंगे। इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाने और ऐसे नंगे आधे नंगे कपड़े पहन के फाइनली हम शर्ट्स पे आ चुके हैं because it's really cold outside.
The outfit for the night has been wasted. We need to change.
हमने यूज ही नहीं किया सेकंड आउटफिट तो हम घर जाके नाइट सूट में पार्टी
Pajama party.
आउटफिट चेंज हुआ ही नहीं और घर जाके पजामा पार्टी यस विल ईट नॉर्थ इंडियन ये स्कैरी सा लग रहा है मेरे को थोड़ा
37 minutes to Nivi's birthday, and we are wandering in the streets of La Spezia.
yeah let's
Not
just hope
even streets.
this is actually
Buddy, proud of you.
let's hope Nivi's birthday is not her death anniversary.
Don't joke about this shit.
We're back home from the scariest effing route, and this is the birthday girl. PJs. ये तो zoom in ही नहीं हो रहा.
The most comfortable outfit of the entire day.
I swear. अभी केक कट किया हमने ये लड़की का. Now we are just gonna party. Come on, go. ये देखो guys. बॉयफ्रेंड हुडी और शर्ट की उम्र में मैं अनुराग की हुडीज पहनती हूँ.
फूल बन जाऊंगा।
मेरे को नहीं खाना. हम लोग अभी क्लिफ डाइविंग जा रहे हैं जिसके लिए हम जितना नज़दीक पहुँच रहे हैं उतनी ज़्यादा फट रही है मेरी. इसने तो कर ली क्लिफ डाइविंग येस्टरडे. तूने तो कर ली क्लिफ डाइविंग येस्टरडे. क्या लगता है यार वापस करेगा आज. बट मेरी बहुत फट रही है यार. बहुत ज़्यादा.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun, and everyone who's watching this should come to this place and just jump.
Romance. I'm out here trying out something new and something for the first time. I need to get out of my comfort zone. मेरी बहुत फट रही है. Like I don't. My hands are like cold, freezing cold. Need to get the fear out of my head. I need to do this for myself. That's. Guys, this is the water, and that is the spot from where we are planning to jump. We're going cliff diving. It's a very common thing here that people do. I do know to swim, but I mean the water is fucking cold, and that is a very huge height. Like it probably doesn't seem how high it is on video, but like I want to do this. I know I will regret it if I don't do this, so I just need to do it.
शोर गूंजे यहाँ से वहाँ सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारो रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारो.
We did it! Look, we did it! भाई बहुत crazy था. I'm too proud of myself today, bro. Like I was so terrified, but कर लिया. भाई कैसा लगा तेरे को? Unreal.
Everybody should come here. Whoever has got the guts to do it, please do it.
Very nicely enjoyed myself too.
Let's go.
मैरिज बोल रहे हैं ना. मैं तो मैरिज कर ले तो 2 लोगों की 10 लोगों की. वेडिंग इज नॉट अबाउट 2 people, it's about the bride.
Selfish bitches.
Bro, वो friends में वो कहती है ना, Rachel.
Yeah.
Friends में Rachel says no. It may be something very simple, but she has imagined her entire life thinking
exactly.
about this one day.
Exactly.
Like
Like the
to
girls.
understand that.
girls
I think वो सारा
start-
episode का link भेज देना चाहिए लड़कों को.
तो मैंने बहुत देखा है मैंने फ्रेंड्स. ये सब चीजें ना सीरीज में ही अच्छी लगती है.
अच्छा बेटे, अब तुम सीरीज इंस्पायर्ड कुछ आना
जिस
कर
दिन
ले.
तेरी शादी होगी ना, मैं देखती हूँ तेरी कितनी चलती है और बंदी की कितनी. All the cliff diving is done, and now we are on our way to Portofino, and we changed our outfits in the train. And I did my makeup in a moving train, feeling very talented right now. Okay, Portofino पहुँचेंगे, वहाँ खाना खाएंगे, सनसेट देखेंगे, थोड़ा साइटिंग करेंगे, and then we will go. Simul, Chandani and I are walking towards ferry. और किसने पहुँचाया सबको फेरी को तारियू करके?
तुमने very proud.
Smarty me. सुनता ही नहीं कोई बात मेरी.
Now we're tired and need to wait in the line which we're dreading,
हाँ,
but we
bro.
still have to.
बहुत ज़्यादा ही लंबा फेरी का लाइन है. But we still gotta go.
We
And
shall make it.
I want to go to the ferry ASAP because I want to eat some food now.
Look at the dog there.
एक डॉग देखो जो मेरी हाइट से भी लंबा है एकदम ज़्यादा. ओ भाई.
Guys, comment करो ये बकरी है या कुत्ता.
दिल ये मेरा बस में नहीं, पहले कभी ऐसा होता था नहीं. दिल ये मेरा बस में नहीं, पहले कभी ऐसा होता था नहीं. तू ही बता इस दिल का मैं अब क्या करूं. कहने पे चलता
व्लॉग का आउट्रो बनाने का टाइम आ चुका है गाइस. और इस बार मैं व्लॉग का आउट्रो तब बना रही हूँ जब दिन एक्चुअली चालू है.
We're running very fast. We couldn't find the station. So suggesting anyone who's coming here, please be on time, before time.
अभी हम लेट हो चुके थे, हमारी ट्रेन मिस हो गई थी. Got into another train which we don't have the ticket of. But yeah, अब हम पहुँचेंगे घर. Cannot wait to reach home. But this was the trip. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. You know the drill. Like, share, subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.